Hello everyone. Today in this video you are going to learn how to find out maintenance plan in plant maintenance module in SAP. But before that we need to know what is maintenance plan. Maintenance plan is an approach to ensure equipment, machinery or infrastructure remain in good working condition through regular inspection and repairs. Maintenance plan outlines specific times or intervals, example monthly, quarterly or yearly, when maintenance should happen, planned actions required to prevent possible failures, and tasks to be performed to avoid breakdowns. A maintenance plan should therefore account for the resources needed to complete the task on time. Now we are going to see how we can find out maintenance plan, for which we are going to use the transaction code IP24. In this command field we are going to write IP24 and press enter. This is the display of IP24. In this display we can give here the functional location, equipment number, or we can simply give here the schedule start date, which can be the start of the fiscal year and this can be the end of the fiscal year. And once all the prerequisites are done, we are going to simply press this execute button. As a result, maintenance plan will be displayed. Now we can change the layout of this maintenance plan by simply pressing this change layout button, and then we can select from the right hand side whichever field we like and then press this button so that it can come onto the left hand side. Some of the fields are for your information, like notification type, maintenance item description, notification number, schedule start date, equipment number, work center, cost center, and description of function location. Beside this field we can select other fields as well, and once we have done we are going to press this button so that our final report or layout is displayed accordingly. So that's it guys from my side. I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.